Hi everybody, welcome back to our Sunday school. Today what we're featuring is bug remover. What bug remover does, it removes and loosens up all the bug guts that you have in front of your car. Most of the time you have guts and bugs splattered in front of your bumper, half of your hood, your windshield, and your mirrors is only where they're hitting in front of your car when you're going forward. And also too, I want to feature our new thing that's coming out. It's bug wipes. So these right here are very highly concentrated. They're very wet, and it's gonna remove your bug guts real easy with ease. So these are our new bug wipes that we have, bug remover wipes. Look at how easy it removes the bug guts. You can use this on the paint, on the plastic, your headlights. You can use it on your glass, and then after you're done, you want to wash it. All right, so all the bug guts and everything on my little towel. The good thing about this, you're done and you want to toss it. Get a new one and keep going. All right, so now we're going to use on this side right here is going to be bug remover. Just spray on there. If you notice right here, you got to see all right here, all the blood that's coming off. It's already dissolving the bugs. You can see it right here. It's already bleeding, killing all the guts and the blood from the bugs, and it's running down. So now what I'm going to use is a little bit wet sponge with a little bit of soap. And then just rinse. So right here we're going to show you that it's strong enough if you could just spray it and you don't have to touch it if you don't want to. And you see how it's loosening up all the blood and stuff like that? It's breaking it down right away. Now you rinse. All right, so after you use your bug remover and you do everything, you always want to wash it like that. You neutralize the area and you wash it off thoroughly. All right, thanks everybody for joining us on our Sunday school. Remember, here comes bug season, so you want to be ready with your bug remover, either your 16-ounce bottle, your gallon, or your brand new wipes that are coming out pretty soon. Thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.